how do we train an AI video model? So in Tensor, we are able to do that. So we have a host model button in the homepage, and also we have online training, right? And in here, we can train our model. So AI models, unlike anything else, all you need to do is put the same character or same style images all into this place and figure out how to put the different values here. Then you're done. You are a creator. So today I'm not going to introduce how to train the image model because everybody knows that, right? So today we are going to move to video model training. So first step is to click here to upload the same character or same style video or image. And here we are able to decide whether this model is for the image to video or text to video. So currently I want to choose text to video. So next time we can use a prompt to generate a video. That is very nice, right? And we are using the base model as a ComfyUI or WAN. I think WAN is very advanced, so I'm choose this one. And here we can choose a repeat. And for the trigger words, let me type. And I think this is all we need. And let's click the start training. Down, we have many options. Let's walk us through. So see, well, we got so many options. Quality of the result. I think this is quite nice. And what about this one? Maybe this one. Which one is your favorite? I'm thinking about the first one. And this is weird. This is obviously something wrong, right? And finally, check out this one. Yeah, I'm going with this one. So we can click the publish or we can click the download. So when you click the download, you are actually downloading the whole model. And you can see because of the original resources is not very big. So the whole model is not very big as well. And if we're adding more resources, more original video and the images, and the size will be bigger. And but the quality, the details will also be better. And let's go with this one. So click the publish, saying that we don't have a project. So let's create a project. Let's type as a support girl. So the channels like more like the category. So I think this is realistic. Let's add more text to it, like photo, girl, and one girl. And also we're facing this from. The name is the support girl. And this is a version, so I'm currently the first version, so 1.0. And the base model, we have so many. The best quality, I think, is WAN 2.1. And it's for text to image. Training step, let's add 2. And description, you can type something to introduce your model. And here you don't need to upload the files because files are already here. But if you trained your video model in somewhere else, let's say your local stable diffusion, you can also upload to Tensor Art. And we have a showcase image or video. So it's already here. Let's click publish. And here you can select from free download or download forbidden. So if you click the second one, which means that if user wants to use your model, they have to use it online. So I'm choose free download because I'm generous. And click the publish. Model published successfully. So now you can add information such as a project description, lesson, and more. Wow, cool. Let's click the edit. So the name is support girl and video style is realistic. And here is description. We can type something. And the resource is original because all the resources that we trained our model is from me because I generated those images from Tensor and animated. So it's totally original. View scope, I choose the public. And when using this model, I give permission for users to. So first is use it in Tensor Online, and second, use it online. So if you click this, user can train their model based on your model. And use without crediting me. Oh no, I don't like that. And for the commercial to use, and we can sell generated content and use generated service. So choose the first one and click the update. Now we have our details page. You can send it, share with your friend, and ask your community to come and use your model, which is really great. And here the button is unclickable because it is deploying now. We can wait for a while, and but now you can actually download your model from here, and people can give comments from here, which is great. And if we have many users to use our model and they decide to share their works, they will be appear in here. See, this is not the first model I trained. I already trained a monster model and a slate girl image model and also a product design model. So this is the fourth models I ever trained in Tensor. In fact, those three models are free to use, but once people use your model, actually you get credit from Tensor, which means you kind of earning money because you can use that credit to generate images and videos and also train another model. So it's like a game, right? So the credits you don't need to buy. If you are a very good creator, you can create as many models as you can, and actually you're earning money. See, once people use my model, I actually get credits, which is great. Okay, already deployed our model to Tensor. Let's click the run. See, when I ran this model, it recommends use a WAN 2.0 as a base model. Click the use recommended. Wow, we got our model displayed here, and you can switch the impact of our model, and you can add the trigger words. So let's type a girl. And we can choose stable and choose the resolution and choose the duration up to 4 seconds. And nothing else. Let's click the create. All right, we have our result. Remember, this video is totally trained by us. And let's click here to see. Very nice, right? The girl is playing sports and the impression and the gesture is terrific. Okay, we can click here to download this video as well, and you can redo it and ask for more detailed. And you can tweak the prompt to get a better results. Hey, check it out this. So in the homepage of the Tensor, we can find this big banner that's about the AI video competition. So when you click here, you can check the detail. This is a competition held by Tensor and also Tencent. And here is the event detail. This is about epic battle of the AI video models. If you just followed my tutorial, I believe you already know how to train an AI video model in Tensor, right? So train your own model and join this competition and check out what we can get. I think the reward is very juicy. You can get RTX and also Nintendo Switch 2, a lifetime pro membership, and many more. So what are you waiting for? Just train your own model and join the competition. But if you don't want to join the competition, also I think you can check the competitors and maybe you can find that video model that's really amazing and you can use for your own work. I think this is quite good, right? So nowhere else in this world can find so many video models at the same page. This is quite amazing. Right? All right, this is how you generate AI video in Tensor and also how to train an AI video model right here in Tensor. I hope you like this video, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave your questions in the comment zone. I will reply them one by another. I will see you on the next episode. Don't forget to follow my channel. Bye bye. Congratulations on watching to the end. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. You won't miss out on more great contents. I will see you on the next episode. Bye bye.